Right, so I'm going to show you how to make everything bigger on the screen of your Galaxy Tab A11. That means icons, the entire interface. So let's start with icons. So if you long press an empty space on the home screen and then tap on settings, that's going to open up the home screen settings. Now from here, you have the app size, as you can see, which is basically the app icon size. So you want to make that bigger by pushing it all the way to the end. And now when you look, we should have bigger icons. Now, on top of that, you can always go to the settings. So if you go into settings and then go to display, and then under display, you will see screen zoom. So tap on that, and then you can use this slider to just kind of zoom. Okay, so I'm gonna go for one size bigger, and you can see that zooms in everything. Everything now appears to be much larger and more legible. So that is basically how you can make everything on the screen bigger and more legible on the Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching and good luck.